A particle accelerator in the basement of a building on campus, not exactly something you think would just go unnoticed.
A CXFEL is a compact X-ray free electron laser.
It's the first X-ray facility in an academic setting that's not run by a national lab.
I would never have guessed that after 1 year at college, I'd be working on a $100 million project.
Everything that you would see at a national laboratory over many kilometers, you would find in a miniature version in the CXFEL beam lines that we're building.
The majority of the work done here is done by undergraduate students.
We're working with equipment that's precise down to 1/1000th of an inch. In some cases can be worth as much as a house.
We're giving the students the opportunity to actually help figure it out, and it's as much a learning curve for us as it is for them.
It's an all-in commitment. You don't achieve some of the stuff that we're doing with just average effort.
How often were scientists told that what they're trying to show isn't true, only to then demonstrate that it is?
Helping students learn to practice that craft, then having their contributions folded into that ultimate realization. It's going to be great.